Hey, if you want to talk to us, you gotta use the radio, because I can't hear you at all over this fucking engine.
The other ODA is Harbinger. Reigns is in command of that. I don't know who his RTO is.
The RTO is Lang. I just need to know what freak is on.
A long-range freak is 70.
That's what we're going to be communicating between the two.
So, we should be splitting up into 2 fire teams, right?
Yeah. Who is the Gustav again?
That would be me.
Roger that. Alright guys, when we get the red light when we're 1 kilometer out, select the move inside option. That'll let you walk to the back and we'll line up in 2 lines.
Understood.
Actually, we'll do it before. Land, give us a heads up when we're like 2 kilometers out. Or I'll just keep track of it.
We're split up into different fire team freaks as soon as we land.
Not for this because of how few people we have and the fact that we're just working in concert.
Roger, so I'll just delete that off the map then.
Whoa.
Oh shit, that's right, I meant to grab an altimeter watch.
I move.
Alright, Mackenzie, I don't have an altimeter watch, so someone's gonna be needing to call it out.
Roger that. I'll be first jumper. Or actually, we're all running off at the same time, so it doesn't really matter.
Always just pull out when you feel safe.
Sounds like someone out of bed landing.
Can anyone else look up or down?
No, just deal with it, I guess.
Okay. Oh hell. Well, here we go, Newsom.
How you guys feeling?
I can't see the DZ.
User in your channel timed out.
Getting close to opening height.
Fuck. Holy shit, that was close. This isn't good.
When you hit the ground, start moving towards the RP.
User joined your channel.
Does anyone read me? Who's that way off in the distance behind,
I went early.
At this point, we're currently scattered across the entire screen.
Yeah, that was kinda... Who's up on the mountain?
That would be Ambrosina.
Nice. Alright, just start moving towards the rally point. We'll regroup there.
Hey, firm.
Right now, man's getting himself stuck in the ocean.
User joined your channel.
Got hurt when I landed on the side of a mountain, so I need to stop for medical attention.
Can you treat yourself, or do you need someone to treat you?
Indeed, I have medical supplies, but I'm in pain, and I don't feel safe enough giving myself morphine, so I just have to deal with it.
Okay. Marino should be the only one messed up.
News, you copy? I think there's some land on the other side of the mountain.
Who is it that has our Gustav?
That'd be Moreno. He is off swimming.
Fuck.
I'm gonna teleport Moreno to me.
You have a Newsom too. He's kind of far off. You copy?
I copy. What's up? How are we? We're there.
Roanoke, I have eyes on you.
Roger that.
I need medical attention, I'm about to die.
There's Tyler unfinished fixing Marino. Who's way over there?
I don't know. Alright, let's do a head count. Who have we got?
Ambrosina, what's your pause?
I'm sorry?
Need in pain.
I'm good.
Was really dumb.
No, I opened my chute by the fucking mountain because I was about to glide into it and then just glided down. It was some Just Cause 2 shit, I'll give you that.
I know you need more. You just have to make sure your heart was strong enough for.
I'm right here, dude. Mackenzie.
Oh my god, why does this feel so fucking blurry?
Mackenzie, can you hear me? Because you're in pain.
That's cool. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, Ronan.
Let go away.
Alright, here comes Roanoke.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
When will it go away, do you know?
You need to be given morphine, but I wouldn't recommend it.
I mean, it doesn't.
Ye-
It's one of those armor things.
Shit, man.
You fucking kidding me?
Mackenzie, I'm right next to you.
Great. Where's Zeno?
Mackenzie, I'm right next to you.
Raceway on?
He's.
Mackenzie, I am right next to you.
You can't shoot. What happened to him?
He was landing and then dying or something.
You can't shoot. I can't find him, so...
Well, yeah, he has some lag issues right now.
I have it too. You see him.